Hi class, it's Professor Garner. I'm checking in as we are almost done with the first 3 weeks of class. Over this last 3 weeks, we've been talking a lot about different college success strategies. We've had an introduction to information literacy, and we've introduced ourselves to each other a little bit. And so now we're going to move into some of the more meat of the course and practicing our information literacy skills with the big project for the unit, the Diversity on Campus Annotated Bibliography. Inside this assignment is kind of an introduction to the assignment, and I have a video in there where I talk more about that assignment. So I won't talk in depth about it now, but what I want you to know is that all the assignments in week 4 up until that assignment at the end of week 5 all build on each other to help you complete this annotated bibliography. Due next week on Tuesday, you'll have the assignment where you'll read an article, college completion rates are up, but the numbers will still surprise you, and write a summary of that article and then respond on a discussion board post. And then we'll learn about, you'll read a chapter in the book about diversity and its importance on college campuses. You'll have some readings on MLA style and how to find out if your sources are reliable or credible. And you'll complete 2 more sections of an annotation on that college completion rates are up, but the numbers will still surprise you. Then due the following week, week 5, will be a sample annotation, or really one of the annotations that you'll turn in for the final annotated bibliography. For this annotated bibliography, you'll be using that assignment, college completion rates are up, but the numbers will still surprise you, and that'll be one of the 2 sources that you'll have to write annotations for as part of that assignment. And so on this Tuesday of week 5, you'll turn in the full annotation for college completion rates are up, but the numbers will still surprise you. So I can take a look at it, tell you of any edits you might need to make before you turn it in again as part of your final annotated bibliography, which will have that article as well as an article that you find on your own. And directions on how to find the article are going to be in this sample annotation section. Okay, as you work through this bigger project, let me know if you have any questions. Good luck. And I hope that you are all doing well. Thanks. Bye-bye.